Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to get Erin Condren self-made planners. So I ended up choosing 3 just for myself, 1 for work and 2 personals. I also ended up using these as gifts because you can customize them by putting the names on there. They have 3 different options for the notebooks. They have the dot grid, the lined, and the production one. I bought 1 of each, so that's what I'm actually showing you guys on here. So these coiled notebooks usually run between $20 to $26, and they actually have them on sale right now from $11 upward. So you can actually use these to create a self-made planner. I will be posting that video later on, so check back on my channel as I will be posting that video soon. So this next planner is actually a productivity planner that I use for school. I use it to take notes and also jot down my to-do list and check it off. I love the fact that it's super colorful, and you can actually choose the color coil that you want. So one thing that I loved about these is that it comes with 160 pages. So whether you use the lined one, the dotted one, the blank one, or the productivity one, you get enough pages on here to last a year. So I did include a referral link in the description box, and that does give you $10 off your first order. So this does contain a dry erase board at the back. You can write down any notes you need to and then just erase them. So this is the classic lined notebook, and you actually get to customize the colors that you want for the cover.